Now that we've covered what pad printing is and why it's such a powerful process, the next logical question becomes, how do you choose the right pad printer? In this video, I'll walk you through the most important things to look for when evaluating pad printing equipment. This is based on what actually impacts production, setup time, and long-term reliability. If you want to go deeper on this topic, we also put together a dedicated video called 5 Things to Consider When Purchasing a Pad Printer, where we break these factors down in even more detail. I'll link to that video on screen here and put a link below. The first thing to look for is setup time and overall usability. Many pad printers can technically do the job, but how long does it take to get them running? And how easy are they for operators to use consistently? Multicolor alignment, plate setup, and control access can either slow production down or dramatically improve throughput, depending on machine design. Reducing setup time by even a few minutes per job can add up to hours of recovered production time every single week. The second thing to consider is expandability. Production requirements change over time, so it's important to ask whether the machine can grow with you. Look for modular designs, like our TTN Universal series here, which have interchangeable components and multiple configuration options, so you're not forced to replace equipment when your application evolves. Look, if you're finding this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It helps get our messages out to others that are also looking at pad printing equipment. Next, consider what options are available. Features like tape cleaners, XY tables, pad blowers, and advanced control interfaces can significantly improve consistency, speed, and ease of use, especially in high volume or automated environments. The right options can turn a basic machine into a highly efficient production system. Flexibility is another key factor. Ask how easily the printer integrates into your existing workflow. Can it be bench mounted? Can it work with automation or positioning tables? A flexible pad printer adapts to your operation, not the other way around. Finally, pay close attention to build quality and components. High-end pneumatic components, precision bearings, durable finishes, and in-house programming all contribute to long-term reliability, repeatability, and uptime. This is where differences between machines really show up over time. In the next video, we'll take these criteria and apply them directly to a real-world example, breaking down how a pad printer designed around efficiency and modularity can dramatically improve production. If you're evaluating pad printing equipment and have questions specific to your application, feel free to reach out to us at the contact information below, or visit us at automartco.com. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.